Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Odd numbers and even numbers. A child has to know what are odd numbers and what are even numbers, and they also need to know all even numbers are divisible by 2. How do we teach them odd numbers and even numbers? So, let us see if we can make use of our fingers and hand to teach them odd numbers and even numbers. Let us see, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All those that comes in the fingertips are your even numbers, and 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The numbers over here are your odd numbers. But sometimes a child may get a little confused between this and this. How are we going to make children remember that these are even and these are odd and not vice versa? Let's just think of a very small story. When do we dance? When we are very happy. So, let us see which are the ones that can dance. 0 can dance, 2 can dance, 4 can dance, 6 can dance and 8 can dance. So, they are all dancing. And you know why they are dancing? Because they are happy. And let's see who's happy. 0 is happy, 1 not happy, grumpy. So, I am going to leave 1. Let's look at 2. How is 2? 2 is happy, 3 grumpy, 4 happy, 5 grumpy, 6 happy, 7 grumpy, 8 happy. So, what are the numbers that are happy? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. They are so happy that they are dancing. And whenever someone is happy, what will they do? They smile. How do they smile? E for even. So, the numbers that dance are happy numbers, and these numbers keep smiling as E. E stands for even. Wow! So, this way, once you give this small story, the children will remember that the numbers over here are even numbers because they are smiling and dancing. The next thing that we need to teach children is, when you add 2 even numbers, the end result will be an even number. When you add an odd number to another even number, we get an odd number, and when we add 2 odd numbers, we get an even number. We can make use of sheets like this. Now, this is even and this is odd. This is, when I say even, I am not talking about the number of dots. The child does not have to count the number of dots to find out whether it is even or odd. But look at the shape of the card. The card is smooth and even. If we take this card, it's odd. You have something protruding out over here. So, let us use this card to represent an odd number and this card to represent an even number. So, let us see what happens when I add two even numbers? One even number added to another even number. So, what do I get in the end? How is the card? The card is even and nice. Yes, when we add one even number to another even number, we get an even number. Now, let us see what happens when we add an even number to an odd number. See, what happens to the card? It is odd. You have a sort of blank here. So, one even number added to another odd number will give us an odd number. So, what happens when I add two even odd numbers? I have one odd number, I have another odd number. Let us put them together. What happens? The card becomes even. Yes, one odd number added to another odd number will give you an even number, and all even numbers are divisible by 2. So, once we use manipulatives like this, the child will definitely not get confused between an odd number and an even number.